So Mini works great for getting into that tricep, either working on the front side here, back side, or even underneath. Now what I like to do, get a little bit of that CBD, and I just put the peak just right in there and just do a little circle. Now it's on there. Now I can start to just slowly bring it all the way and just get a nice glide all the way up and down. Doing that global massage is gonna work this whole area here. And what we wanna focus on too is that when you find those creases here, then we wanna work on that area when it's relaxed. Try to help clean up that valley and the muscle between each other. This can also help with bringing us in good definition too, and help those muscles not supposed to be stuck to each other. I'm using this side here, which works really nice. It's a nice little grasping tool. And then I'm not having my arm locked out or completely stretched when I'm doing this. It's like that middle ground. Coming all the way down, all the way up, bringing right down to the elbow. And then don't forget this under part here. Okay, this can feel really nice. This area, a lot of times people don't really get into this area. A lot of times people aren't using this. This is a pull down muscle here, pulling into our body. This tricep right here. It's part of when you do your pull-ups really effective, you're using that muscle to help you with pulling down as well as your other muscles. But the other tricep muscles are helping with extending that elbow. This one is a pulling down muscle. So going all the way down to that armpit, come all the way up, stay away from that funny bone right in here. Right here, feel a little tingling down on my hands. I'm not gonna aggravate it. I'm just gonna lightly massage around it. Because if there's gunk around here, that could be causing the tingliness that's going on in my hand. So I just wanna make sure that there's not much going on there. The next thing we can do is once you find that tender area, stop and press into it. And then now I can do some curls here. Get some active release. I like using this on days when I go and do any type of pressing or pulling down on my push-pull days. Use it as a nice little wake up, and then use it afterwards to help my body with getting that inflammation, getting that gunk out of there, the lactic acid, and start the recovery process and get my triceps feeling real nice. Give that one a go next time you go and do your arm workout, and let us know how you feel.